Yes, I am leaving in the San Diego Zoo.
Come on, let's go to the New York City.
But because I'm scared. I'm scared with that.
Don't be scary. The snowman is a Romeo Minecraft story mode. Is the snowman white skin and ice block?
Yes! Run. Run.
Oh my god!
Run. Run.
Alright, Mega Christmas.
But what?
We have to run.
Yes, the content aware scale mosquito is getting fasting.
Yes!
Yeah!
Yay! I think T-Rex going to this thing's piston.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. Multiple 911 calls say that a giant figure was spotted roaming around the streets. Police are trying to get more information about this giant figure. If you see it, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Palo Department government. There are many reports that dinosaur roaming street their damaged building, Tacloban, Sulanban, Dulag, Ormoc, Lady, Palapan, Isabel, Gin, attack building and damage all building, residents city of Palo, stay inside lock and door and windows, if Do dinosaur men break into people's homes, get a weapon? Stay tuned. For more update about this situation, the dinosaur.
What?
I see is grass, other animals, and dinosaur. What? I'm sorry. Wait a minute.
Oh, look at the dinosaurs.
Look at the Triceratops. Oh my god, there's a dinosaur!
Baby dinosaurs!
Hey guys, what's the noise?
Is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, what's the noise? I can't know, we have to run. Everybody, run for our lives.